now let's start the classification of cam. And in that, according to shape, there are lots of types of cam are there, but we are studying some main important common type of cam only. So according to shape, there are two. First start with the radial cam, which is we have already seen radial cam. There is a rotary element is there, and with respect to that, this follower is reciprocating. But there are some cylindrical followers are cam is there. In that you can see here rotary with respect to the rotary motion of this cylindrical, this follower will reciprocate. Okay, or you can see there oscillation is also possible. In that slot you can put this type of follower, and with respect to that this follower will oscillate. So this both type of motion can be obtained by this cylindrical cam. Okay, you can check here, you can see here that there is a slot. This shaft is totally rotating, but the slot in that shaft is a curvature, shape of curve is given. As per that, this follower, you can see this follower is reciprocating. Okay, and the point of this point, there are both at different place. You can see this point is here, one point is here, but rotary, when this slot is coming up to this point here will be reach here, and that's how this cylindrical cam is working. Okay, so let's go to next. According to shape, there is a wedge cam. This is a flat surface or curvature surface, and on that follower is moving. But in this you can see that there is no rotary motion is there. In this there is a reciprocating motion is transmitted into reciprocation. You can see there is a reciprocating motion is transmitting into reciprocation, and in this case you can see here reciprocation is transmitted into oscillation. And in this also there is a knife edge or roller can be used. This knife edge and roller can be used. So this is the wedge cam, and same type, but there is a minor difference is there. There is a flat cam. In flat cam you can see here there is a slot is there, and this roller is totally free here. If this plate is moving very high speed, possibility there this follower move upside if no spring is given. So there is a possibility of lose of point of contact. But if there is a slot here and follower is fixed here, so what will happen? There is no possibility. If this cam is moving, then follower will move compulsory on it upward direction. So that's how this is a slot is always given in a flat cam. It is also known as a positive cam. In positive cam there is no possibility of follower to move any other direction with respect to cam. If cam is rotating or moving, with respect to that follower must move in particular constrained direction. You can see here this type of arrangement is widely used in pharmaceutical machines, the tableting machine, in which there is a die and punch are there, and punch is moving with respect to that. But in machine there is this body is rotating, and these are all steady condition, and they are only reciprocating on their steady place. Okay, they are reciprocating, and this white body which is a center body which is rotating. Okay, so this type of arrangement is known as a flat cam. Okay, second criteria for the classification of cam is based on motion of the follower. Okay, so as for follower move, we can classify this in a rise, return, rise. You can see here follower is rise first and again return. In one complete revolution of follower, 360 revolution of cam, follower will move upside and downward. Only simple rise, return, rise, simple motion is there. Okay, after that there is also other type in which you can say that dual is there. What is dual? Dual is the period for which cam is rotating but follower in a steady condition. Follower is not moving upward or downward. with respect to rotation of cam, this period or this motion, I means this condition is known as a dwell. Okay, you can check here, check this diagram, and what you are saying that when this point from profile of cam up to this point, the cam is rotating, but follower will be here, steady condition. So for this curve, follower is not moving, so that's why it is known as a dwell time. Okay, check this. For this time, means this profile below this total circular profile, follower is steady condition, after that it is moving and downward, and now it is in dwell condition. Dwell means follower is steady condition. So in this case you can see here, first of all, dwell means follower is not moving, cam is rotating, cam is complete one revolution, this is the motion of the follower. So cam is in rotating, follower is in steady condition, after that follower is upward direction, downward direction, and again dwell. And if there is a perfect circular curve is given here, perfect circular means any radius of any circle is given, then there is a possibility there at a higher upper point there is also possible there is a dwell, means dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell. So this type of also condition is there, and we will obtain in our cam profile diagram. And fourth and last is a dwell, rise, dwell, fall. You can see there is a dwell means steady condition, follower will rise, and after that there is a dwell, and suddenly it will move downward direction. How this will be possible? Fall means larger displacement at an instant, with there is a no rotation is considered. Okay, so you can see here, when follower moves up this point, means this point, after that we are considering that cam is not rotated at that instant and follower move downward very instantly. Okay, so that's why it is considered as a fall, and after that dwell, rise. Okay, so this is the types of motion in a follower. Based on that there is a possibility there we can. Okay, let's start the terminology which we are using during this chapter. So learn the terms which related to cam profile. Okay, let's start. So first term related to cam is a base circle. Okay, so base circle, what is a base circle? It is a smallest circle, can be drawn from the cam profile. You can see here the cam profile is this dark line is a cam profile, and roller is here and it is touching here. So smallest circle means possible smallest circle is, you can see this is the smallest circle can be possibly drawn in that cam. So it is known as a base circle. Okay, second term. Okay, so trace point is a reference point on a follower. We are considering for that motion of the follower. In this roller follower, we are considering this center as a motion of this follower. And in knife phase is that. In flat face, you know that in flat face there is a whole surface is there, and which is considered as a reference. Okay, so that's it. Now we are going to third, which is known as a pressure angle, which is very important. Pressure angle is the angle between the line of action of follower and the common normal at a point of surface. So I am giving you example. In this, if you consider the line of action of this follower moving in this direction, and if I am talking which surface I am talking, point surface means this surface is here, and if I make normal at this point, normal means perpendicular to that surface, so this angle is known as a pressure angle, which will vary with respect to surface. As this follower is moving these points, this cam is rotating, and with respect to that this pressure angle will be changed. Okay, you can see here the pressure angle means always follower is a line we can draw from the center, which is a motion of follower, because follower is moving always up and down with respect to center here. So it will always be this line, and angle you can make any point at a surface, normal to surface. Okay, and then pitch point. Pitch point is a point on a curve where the pressure angle is maximum. You can see here in this case there will be some here, the pitch point will be there. Pitch point means maximum pressure angle. Okay, in this case that is shown here, there will be maximum pressure angle. Pitch circle means if you make any circle pass through the pitch point, then it is known as a pitch circle. Okay, circle which pass through the pitch point. Curve which pass through the trace point, okay, which is known as a pitch curve. If I am making curve with respect to which pass through this trace point, it is known as a pitch curve. Okay, next is a prime circle. Definition of prime circle is that smallest circle that can be drawn from the pitch curve. You can see here pitch curve means curve generated by the trace point, and if this curve is a pitch curve, smallest circle that can be drawn, you can see here, this is the prime circle. Okay, lift or stroke, which is very important, I can say most important, means if this route for the rotation of this cam, this follower is moving upside and downward direction, total distance covered by the, or I can say stroke, which is also known as a stroke or lift of this follower, total distance that is possible for the follower in reciprocation with respect to rotation of the cam. Okay.